A credible witness of a robbery incident saw a man who allegedly robbed the residence of the Ramos family. Which of the following is the most helpful part of a witness's testimony to identify the subject? 1. The man has a gun. 2. The man is wearing a red cap. 3. The man has a big scar on his forehead. Or number 4, he was climbing the gate. Ang tamang sagot po natin ay number 3, the man has a big scar on his forehead. Tumpak. No? So bakit po? Ito easy lang po ito, no? Easy lang po ito, parang kumbaga beginner lang po since bago lang po, no? Rather nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo sa ating review. So syempre, ano po yung pinakamahalagang maisulat o ma-consider diyan sa ating testimony na gagawin ng ating witness? Malamang ito pong the man has a big scar on his forehead. Bakit po, no? Kapag halimbawa, sinulat natin tong the man has a gun, eh syempre ang dala-dala niyang baril, pwede naman niyang matapon. Another one, the man is wearing a red cap, no? Yun din, no? May red cap yan, no? Parang very particular, very specific, pero kapag tinanggal niya yan, edi wala nang man on a red cap, wala nang suspect, no? Next, he was climbing the gate, no? Ala, naku, this is the action already and it's not a unique identifying characteristic. So hindi rin po natin yan pwedeng i-consider.